Abdul Salam Sabato na dodo na anim no ono na yenkonko ani wadu biase football club oye bankroller ena esu se den na sia ye ko wake up a local player ba ko pe no ane Benjamin Asari eni nya no yentie de okafa ho ye wi a na ya betie de okafa de league no
your main product no Ghana football no and your league no and your main product I can say the GP president on one the club count or call executive committee no we bring our clubs as an awaba any administrators in your clubs and I was say pay attention more to the Ghana league you pay attention more to the Ghana league that's it the executive committee can say a league na ye league na you na and then your World Cup your friendly match na you need Ghana need one player apart from keeper as far as many women maybe on a blaster and at the NTC crowd that's all blaster so ebia you keep person I was again any believe will be our so as far as he is the best now our local goalkeeper Oba blaster and then like any BPI excellent I tell you that's all but say you be 28 players say do more friendly match na you need local base player woman if you say you disgrace your leg you know you bad Emma Ghana League. Say Meka say coach Numpono, they be as me who say Otabe a league maybe. They was what the center be no a league. And I say technical director no any other coaches no. But who be my FA Cup ne league in Angaza. Oh maybe. So I'm happy with say now more a league in Mudi Rover as almost now 28 players Ghana League player Bako Granny. There were 18 Premier League and there were 48 Division 1 league 41 Division 1 team. Say you football Ghana near to contribute to one player and two players to the blaster and the football here and for also. One player from House of Folk and News-Asante Kotoko. About Midiama, the league leaders Midiama, player about Humpung. This is a bad image. Emma, you're like me happy.
When you're happy, na Abdul Salam Twaso say na Randy za who wetimo Lions. Odo sa for woni Chelsea for na ye adwuma. Ti coach no o justify ne sana kire paka. Me de manya wa odia. Coach no justify ne kire mo Timothy ase. Na mo product e kase pa no nya league no.
And there's a league now here, and the Argentina, contribute 2 players to blaster. So I'm moving poor, I'm moving bench. Now, I'm have room with everybody, and there's one more. And they say, yeah, but my league in value. I didn't even fire league, machine. You for players in the income. Meaning that coach in the list as well. Your blaster management committee chairman, your blaster management committee members, Obi to say Moses Fakanum, Obi to say Terandi Abi, Omina, club president for, you know, listen, Omun about Anna. There's where I investment me 2010 last time Ghana football value 2010 near number 1 in Africa not the whole world near 10 so how many players so yeah you know football administrators you know because Emma scouting ba Ghana because you go World Cup 2010 yeah there so can local based players you know let the count it is a pastor yeah a boy then there's a league na yeah and the Argentina team contribute 2 players to say blaster say we I'm moving poor I'm meeting bench
Abdul Salam Sabato News-Asante Football Club yankonkon a one bankroller and anyway on also action yaudie e squad ya utuado efre ye no ho na no na danger ete honam so wante se wi aso ye ya diriba bia ye ka asem to ye ma onkasa ye se pakati e kire na wosu se na wosu se he salim ni ho me afro mo yes sa na beko enti ye fancy ho na eno na wodi ya no mampanyin so disika e pompi wrem e de ne a sa na besie na ene good news no we ni bad say am free players ndo na the good news and some mampanyin say whoever afi on ka kan ne kwa no stadiums we nya de mahunhun bia wo stadium abewurom na restaurant sha be be yi eti cheze bibia bi ewowowom afi omu hyase a be se mienu miensa de na afi eto aso na ye chiche ne kakran se aso dem communion no.
Yes, regions bia omuni stadiums ebesi stadiums ho enti afi a ye hyase ye sika semu budget ye de sika ahyem a ye de be hyase ene stadiums miensa na afi bia ye be ye bi kopem se mantem bia benya modern stadium. Enti minimo ka say omo ye design no senior stadium no esi na ye pese ye stadium a enye se ekobo ball nkwa na ekoho. Ye pese ye ho na eye economic center. Enti ye bebie stores ho na ebinmu bebi ankofo didi restaurant ni ade enti ya mo ball mpo nipa timi kɔ hɔ ekonya enije enti omo ye designs no enti this year be start in 3 na next year ya san ye 3 kopim say region bia any stadium bia ye be see stadium ewo ho
okay
bebie stores ho na ebinmu bebi ankofo didi restaurant ni ade enti ya mo ball mpo nipa timi kɔ hɔ ekonya enije enti omo ye designs no enti this year be start in 3 na next year ya san ye 3 kopim say region bia any stadium bia ye be see stadium ewo ho
ai asamna tu ya fu de na wuram ase okay eti amapani anu disem na ye de atudwane wi ana ye de asante nkomo no aka ho asde no ye di ka te ho e de akyem denya over sanity o you na so wana wudi ne ho ya
ozai ozai
ye na du wuram ntentam sa no
o se me ka se me ba
okay
ena maba ana anya sa
yes sir
ena nkomo nso amudi na mo bidi
no na me busai o ka ho
me obi ka pa
yo mate
enye nchen kura
yo danger
over Mr. TF president Ghana football and sports at large achede ba ko nyame oche no oche bi ema yen over memua de oto nche ho so ho memua no o di na chi a de waka me kra mame nko Kubes barbering shop ewo anmanye mpatase Amadu Anilu me dawmase for what they have done for me today na CEO Victorious Collins intino madana say over president asam no mesumi wo interest wo na me interest wo no say president di osie be oyo dia I'm for it 100%. Say president at the osie be oye dia of anano omoye Milo games no unya ekobo ni akokoma kakra
me fa ho ba ku bi
fa ho ba ku kan ti wa hu ade
yes
talent no e wo ho the reason why I ntimi harness talent ni say you need the facilities to harness the talent say America say boxing say table tennis say all the other discipline no particularly football we are lacking behind because we lack the facilities the infrastructure to harness the talent. Just say, those political talks in Libya, which politicians know that almost die. But imagine, offer, what do ho now stadium no, one that multi-purpose. It me house all the other disciplines no. Now baby say we to say what of our commentary ho Kotoko any team be ball restaurant wo bet me I just say what was send a mature no imagine you are even traveling across Abia one of these regions only say me first stadium ho no ma baby papa e dey come no players no any athletes no sports you know you know men no any women no offer baby baby ebe house so mo kwaya na a problem the idea of the National Sports College our Winneba I'm saying no come say some university say bibisa say if it's still sure to harness talent once upon a time na your coaches no mo ko Winneba ko sua there. And to back there was a time about me were pool of coaches. And to Ghana, Hanomo, who's the coaches? No, me, I'm a boss. You book, I say, coaches not asa. And the credit say, we are not even training them anymore. See, we lack infrastructure, we lack facilities. say if the president sanka walking and anka woye ne saa pepepepepapa offer saa astroturf finance be baba yi amafo boje so pa o the only reason why ye mu bi no mu ye much enthused about it and they say enye easily available for the ordinary yes
so kwa kotua na
the ordinary Ghanaian cannot access it and open me challenge and I feel say ya man abroso do obi ya astroturf meanwhile football no the ebo astroturf so no enu 10% dodo na no natural grass no any you know the omo the afra no bi no and no penny me challenge but the fact that can create space for sports to take place in there I am all for it enti bra onabo kwame as the kwame siama I start to say oh yes multi-purpose sports complex in kakra bi nyina hini ene dubiase no other places no ye nyina ye budget no so and I can wura and only the reason why I am president there no ye tie ni mienu senkanti saade a ka wofa ka we die anka I'm all for it because I am part of the vehicle ye di boama sports no ye di promote no money e konkan the talent is in abundance say admache de no de ukwa kra bi ase a ukwa mfitie ba bi ukwa kron animu ba bi a ubenya enmofra wa utumi say omo wa admache de no a de omo hia ne ba bi omo betimi edi agro no na afi omo atime ye abreast with modern facilities a ye de ye di agro no which offer no krani ya nenim ni say wo de ba ye di animu a
okay
na ba bi ani nam no na asifim enti
yeni kan we no na eba
party president you need the offer Mr. no what can more man no nye those political talks ni bi
okay
Mr. President e be opportunity I would hear president of Ghana na e be won sam ye bi emu ani so may enko na enko ka se me bi ka so be no antimi anye e be ye a scar on your presidency
mate
what can dia for say yo
I'm going to on this one now we are na ye the part 2 no abadem de majibo no ye JM a third campaign you even your 24-hour economy nothing happened yet ha 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 funny country you
Clementino
amam kwa Daniel de no yento aso
meet me Abdul Salam de ni bi kan yana
akwanda ho
okay
odo ko wan so we are na wodo part ko bet
me gina che me te so analyze ni nyina kama na me ba na mbeke ya
ko viviti
ai so ni me benya problem tino areho na baby football na ekono Eden me this is my view on national team selection baby a Ghana ni wo bia Clementino na ne modern boss so ani se ma na konya na obebo national team a sa Ghana ni kura se ma na konya menye omo support the idea of yen create a quota
for local players
but at the same time mensa nye omo believe say local player be and deserve so Bob Blasters
on that's why I agree
so to the mention say it's immediate that has been my stance Abdul Salam odi ya kakra wonimu eya on ne say Salim Adams the manager ni Abdul Salam but choice who father said neba yes Omo Kotoko Omo has but obi a wahwe Ghana Premier League ni this season bia open the standout performer with this season league menye so be 3 players abe Salim Adams free ya jene passport ya ko je visa amount na ya do wako Austria and Germany game by from nowhere near returning the passport the amount after the etienne say obekwa akobo Blasters no use Blasters platform na bia wonya ofa bi na obi a yefu say only the good books of the FA ebe benefit the emphasize Salim Adams nko and since that decision
the what here no
yes minim kamu interview Abdul Salam na say kamu push ni ko ho if you say abde na yes Salim Adams ano abrante na bomo bu afi bo no kuro ntimi mo biem
affected no in fact obi a oben no ka kire me say he cried
na bomo bu just because I can't work with my enemies. Na se say ne be national team na Clementine weye mo de amutia na mo camp Ghana player bi e mo se Ghana ni Togo play no hone mawan se ne ye tie se ubie phone lines ubie phone lines na se nipa du na Clementine so mo frɛ no mo blasters 10 players amenye so betimi ye do stage Ghana players ko anya popular to Ghanaians akakane blasters aye nim no see free players anya hwe kura na say 24 ne be fra emu 15 de Ghana for do mu din tunum be ne blasters yeni sa stage no hwe ni wusema ato ye Ghana ni Togo pre-play ho Togo fo na emu no Ghana fo na emu no eye dey say player no one preference e dey na agina so ye dey frɛ no e dey bo hye no hye Emma Togo for so esako na emu na omo call up Ghana ni Togo pre-play ho sesi I see player ni nyen decide ye coach wo Togo say player na be ba amomo na fe de baby ye ball na duru no ti baby ye ko no ti no yen hwe enwoma yi enye saa ye de saa de no kosoa especially we national team na ye league in there say de ya ma problem aba national team ni so be jegu because yes ye be qualify for World Cup group stage ni ye film check the last 3 AFCONs ya bo na hwe Ghana modembo ade ba ko ha me pa na say si eka 2006 World Cup na yeko na Clementine de me prepare year for 2006 World Cup no eya AFCON na yeko bo ni Egypt no the ball AFCON ni we say ye ti ni ti fa mo World Cup jesi e hihye ni yeko bo 2010 in South Africa de ma ye mu bi ye agidie ni say Angola 2010 any AFCON 208 I hosted him say Blasters team we dey ko World Cup e be yade 2014 krano ni yakobo semi final no no kwa yebo yes yebo semi final na Burkina Faso ye film AFCON e was South Africa etina ni da so but to the recent AFCON sayako especially the ebowi na de be ko World Cup ubo say ye we AFCON na say ye changes we team ye corrections no near the same mistake na akọ ti sa AFCON we na yanko bi no Clementine ye di agro World Cup we say the nimbesi agu ase wo World Cup no
ona aside no yenya akonya bia ye so ebetimi dia ye aprepanya bi ne matches no boy
tino matches ya ye boy
AFCON ne competitive
do say ne ye bo AFCON say wo level a countries ni bi bo etufu so mo ma qualify ko World Cup no be bo AFCON ni bi no so mo ntimi anu the knockout stage e bia semi final bi quarter final bi ana team ya na modern bo wosoro e na yi na obeyi changes for the team ni obewu the stage and the team na duru ena me ma example say 206 me ma example 2010 206 me ye correction 2010 me hu say ye team ni ye bibi kakra bi kan ho a ye betia ko ye bibi wo South Africa ampa ye ko ye bibi be ne de Clementine hwe ti team na da ho no eno ane say da ho enani a freeway echina a freeway ade echina a freeway Blasters unhu se lenyo Mexico
okay
amampanyini His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana mampanyini ye da no ase banka me wa kwanya na me shi o mampanyini akameka cha o mampanyini se ye besre no stadium sense me de ontwentwen so
reasons
Clementine ye wa Accra Sports Stadium ye Baba Yara Sports Stadium ye o Cape Coast Sports Stadium ye o Secondary Sports Stadium and ye o Tamale Sports Stadium 5 and then here na sa stadium we nyina ejina fa de jina asat ne ye kasai say yes ye bo World Cup qualifiers bi and na CAF qualifiers bi nyame ya admo china the current state of your stadium here is see that no intimi kura host 2 games now sometimes ya na minu say your politicians ho Ghana ha Ghana yenye sika me na buso na de epebia na ye yo sese yo yemfa party support ntun chen sa sports centers na and honorable Ezekesiama yesisi ye na ewai sika edi ko hyem ne dia fa so na dia bre Ghana dia fa so ne nya ebi aka muram dia enwe de yesi ento aso na sa sports centers ni nyina no enye ye driven develop de ye pese ye di
ebi adom because based on the all kind the way no ubenya restaurant bibia bi wo mojibo but the honorable sema see me nyine say de nyina bi wo ena two bi a osi we ni wi a de akare nyina na ye the policy be ba
ada ne enye de say no na ye twen say bi after 5 years bi ene be kwa akoye no
but me de ni nyina no jibo nka region ba ko ho de sunyane o kese sunya kra sunya o se sunya de o mu deserve ko de wi abob class wo ho no munya ba ko anan ke ni nyina aka
obi nka say region bi here region bi here bi so tell me chance but see ye disika ko hye ba bi ni nya so mfa so ye nsan ko ye biem Cape Coast Sports Stadium NNT host international game meboa Baba Yara Sports Stadium NNT host international game Accra Sports Stadium just ye kopacha Tamale NNT host Esipon NNT host ti bi esigu won kura no ye nim kwan fa so ye hwe so ye se ba be stadium bi na dia Command National Sports Authority na stadium na sa ye basa just because e Ghana sika yes this is sports centers ewo that na ye 10 regions
Ajibo say ye stadium and ye hwe so no two different you
oh ba for
about mayen hwe so no an arm of government which is a national sports authority say no failure we deal with them
but what I'm saying is
certain part of the country also sports infrastructure there. I don't think that we should deny them
but ye dia no de jibo ke ye dia no e beta to aso but ye nya hye bi say ye wie we no
ye need a proper plan and I make say
problem say
time ye kosi Esipon ye kosi Tamale on se ye ni je pa be ne hi ni ejina
ye dia reho ho na ye dia ho se
ehi ni ejina
ye ntimi mfa nya bibia
eti ka mesro man panyini se den ke dia hya ase na ye nwie ye no Canadian ko ma nani nko ho na ke ye nwie enye ba bia na ye betia ko stadium chinchin o Clementine no tu kwan all over the world ye wo be bu how do ko stadium no 10,000 me 15,000 me based on say the host here kama ye wo bi me se wo twam wo nyina hu yanyi sports center na areho enwuru akata so nyina na se mi ko kufurudia mi ko hu kufurudia de areho eti sina ye si de ma o man no fa so be ni nya wo so tisi enhwe ni enye ni nyina nwi abafo akoto mpabo ba kwa wai untare
oja to
sem koto foforo nya de o se koto nya wa na be wa mo oja to
we no direct to do ye de ama obi o hwe so
bio bafo yi ene ye ti hei bafo ye ti hei ye dum kanea se kanea de ama obi o hwe so eso ye de dum so akoso mampanyini ana meboa eti ye ba mampanyini ba ye no de yesi na ye nwie ye no e de no mo ka fa ho ana ye jama na sai e wa bre de Ghana sika de koyeye
ama say some right na ye me fa na party no good me da say Jibo was say Jibo we those in Sunyani deserve ours if others can't manage theirs is their problem we need ours deal with the NSA in those areas Roxanne or say ebi omo dia
Sunyani e go say anya nese
ebi omo abeje ma dia
ayi kwa kakra yi ayi coronation park ko ha de
coronation say boy friend say I went to one last year and saw one of as the SMS sports centers oh most ye dey ba enko say o kan ya no mo ye mo de bobo fa so enko
hana on say edu ba bia no ntina ya no manfo believe say thank you government ayensa bibira nka beboa but ya anya ne sa so ni because sometimes you know obey get too closer to some of the politicians you know omanale so be any say ebia sika aban koje so de be project bi no ye di ni nyina ma asa but project no be ko ni enye nwie nti se o ka se o to aso a this have you wow san ko piska for froba and the urban so be to be politicized na fe na another party ba beje credit for adwuma no that's why a lot of projects no fa aban ne sesa be ko ni enye nwie because ya na emu nsem ne bebre ba de ha adwene yes se nipa no se aban sika fa ne nsem a se ne famra kwan so but surprisingly you realize that your crew man yamfo bi am famra kwan so na ye jeja ne sa I think Jibo ne danger nyina our point Jibo point is that the wo na ne ye na na ye wo mfasodi bi anke ye wie be ya ma oman no yen hwe ne yenyi ensem firi on na ehon faso no yendi that is one aspect which is solid danger soon okay fine even though the enoso wo de bo bi okura wonya bi kura ntino ye money bi they all come back to the resources available put your man penyini in the manifesto na okashe mu se stadium ahodo a wo Ghana ha dada no obe upgrading to a world class standard no we are other regions any bi no ho wa pe bi amom nti I think say sabiro akoka se bono ne ahafo mpatam benya bi no na ese aka ne se ne manifesto no tru hye mu se de wa ha no be no world class to esi ha no the next Africa e be bo Ghana ha no minim bibia teams me bo reception of Accra Sports Stadium you know how because Media Master Stadium no issues kakra wo hu yeah issues kakra wo
the standard na
so mo hwe ho adwuma ye onyo enyo marketing giti bi yeah issues kakra
I see
issues kakra ho ese so mo hwe ho asem ka ndi over I think so man penny na say osan go back to the manifesto because they say afi ba ko atwam and the second year no kra yakọ kakra other ones no should be modified
good
say a year renovation
then kakra ya kai wo tem kakra kai no fa yes ade aka dada na wo no na nyame odum na musa be bi mu a
na ba ko na obesi ni so na enye ki sure say within your 4 years ni ewi sa ade na yenwie ni
na obi ba no so ajag so no
nti time will tell say we dey actually kasa fidie so there but I think say renovation is a necessity. I mean, Baba Yara, Cape Coast. Nti renovation is there. And we say no aban ba ho on cheni wie. Na sa aban so be si foforo so there. Wanya hihye ni nyina men si say twan. Aye ko ho a enya afi na daachi bi no. Ebe ebo achi bi din ama nsu ato agu so. Ama nsu ase no. Na akwa nsem bibira. But I think say sometimes the past government once Isaac Siama start you but when Isaac Siama free Oma Mustafa Bahe no ya shey na hu say Mustafa de nani call sa sports centers no sa no as onu so yine but that was the same government aban ba akona
anu kware aban foforo aban no na make aban no
du ba bia na ya na aye bibio ho kakra over because aban ba akona na ma start na munwie ni ebeje asiwo na minister keke ni asesa no minister foforo ba ofa ni apia to ba bi na ya na oman ni sika we bi ebosi an yakogbo a ye betimi ni bibi kura si asiwa ofa si entimi ankotua da achi bi no ye bibi be kwa akodim but all in all bonsi eja to ba so sometimes our politicians no over the way omo gini vote ho no ema ade na of national interest no edi ba bia no mo ya pressure capital se me metoa so amebia abasobo de me no aba be che de mesuma akwhye me de asinti we have a lot of uncompleted projects within the system here completing a function na kebenya so much benefit to us. So in terms of sports infrastructure over ya catchy as a nation and if oman panyin so obey there ye bebo na abaso na mum ye be kan ye se o shebo se obe upgrade the existing ones over oba ye share dem hu the NSA boss ayaye sa pitch covers yom the balance ya e mo mutimi the programs for Accra Sports Stadium of Lagos no hwe pitch na atimu say in some Baba Sports Stadium cover we have pitch na atimu say question marks for home papa and nyina are critical issues that need to be addressed. So we are far from the from the ideal situation and the government must put in a lot. Of Abdul Salam on some no it comes back to politics. If your politics want to do baby and fairness, it me pianse capeta sekakra. The local players now you didn't come on. Clearly, the system don't recognize them. Send a recognize them. System ni hun is out. Of us, when you time partner some of these top football administrators or more a position of power din command. League no akwa to say a routine. As a seebo, into the airborne. But on innovative ideas, any angles as some of the best on over and young common also out. What's the media even discuss the problems of the game more than or more game they affect you almost 200 or more to start the changes, to start the transformation. And I said, no, said that inform Hosa, so our league is far behind, and they don't trust and they don't acknowledge these players. So central midfielders of a 4 pay. Blasters call up by 4 and a 5. And he be Jewani Bundi, so for a central midfielder. Seydou Sana a central midfielder. Salim Adams a central midfielder. But some man from Munina because as a move far, she look at number of forwards a 5. Attackers don't want a 5. If attackers close to 8. And if our central midfielders 4. Inti senki enya bre pass Ghana boys near Pessi of a DB Shimwa. Kibit me the Biashi with the fan shim crying 6. Ni any more barcon, a chill barcon. But Omu rate you. They don't even rate them enough to put them on the bench. I want to come. But do baby, so you have to look at the players themselves and the clubs. And then Ghanaian club be bought CAF Champions League be. Are on consistent basis. The argument becomes very difficult for the system to push them away. Baba Konwa Koje 5 no aba. Chan Ovanke Chan and the Ekoni Ekuni and the Ekwaje Chana. You can use the chance so much me Akwaje Chan there. Then we should give them a chance. But any competition be a local based players in the front. Over here, money to sing. Omutimi under 20 years now. Omo club side no mo ko go stars ko e de ko see. Over there Kotoko ko e ko see. Se Kotoko sabre o group stage na ne e bia Kotoko nam Nairobi. No akoshe 3-0 bi. No abakumase, no abehye 2-0 bi a. Na league or say ho a. Usuro kra sa won frɛ. By saying all the arguments are here for some of these local based players now. About an argument of inclusion. See a feel see a local boys this unyamura. But omo modern bona ankasa has not really been the best to push them to that level.
Okay.
We have a long way to go of a buy and comedy.
But I say, Sir Obed, we have made to be me na the Akano. Yamfama callers no Uko Hasa. And then Mkopium court. Or money red handing case na the Ebano. Nisoma Johnny case in the March 26. Ninano and they say, as a out of court settlement, we have a folk. As a sank between me and Munyamrana or mom payment plan or Munyaka Kanga. The last time appear no na nyadia we henen kamani jesu hu se ko bane sa nga na asembesi nim ne 26 ebeko akopie koto konsem no akogina Anderson team ni pra no ya chema chodada opra ye no wose da bi surgery de osuro obeko akoye bibiduro koye baako na as emuasa funyan na se no person company fo nyama no IMC be yomo gina no ma budget for ne no ene yete se new board no e decide se enche ombehwe abrante ne pra no na am the lord amu aka ho na omo ameki payment plan no akoye surgery na free ho na odo ne chemu Asante Kotoko de yete ne ene se e bia season no ye bewie no mu no na new CEO no unity se de be ya ye share season asia na chese ono nso eba abeto aso yibo me emfa we meet me no na yemfa kugu
Clementino player fantasy intim yes and
yes
me will play problem kakra about player understands to take here and say
and then they na ba say a hopa o
so no asem no wo
ana make ha
na football so dem players nyina say me take the seat of IMC na board this is here can the contract we am manako
se sana nka IMC die na nka ya koyo Kewu na ya bedum.
Ewu ya kemema na ko. Mate say ne contract na be wu na nsia no mo extend 1 year aka ho. E be wu say July or August na the contract wo. Because we play our club and our pra. A club na said yes say so mo hwe. Na wa club no so mo koyo operation o se mempene. Me de bibiduro be kwa kwakoye. Now the force also the bibiduro. Utifie club yitwa aka. Na wakwa na Clementino bibiduro. Na bibiduro nti. Upra na anyi no asa abase club na operating. Na me kwa menima de kwenti a club na ti ase so mfa bibiduro nko chichire ne nan. Because the club no sign a contract etua wo ka we are asset of the club.
Upra anya na wo kire de ye.
Anya na wo kire de opɛ.
E ma Ghana na yetimi gumra no mu.
So tell me just anya na wo kire de opɛ. And then because of who decision I will take here. What the salary for almost 1 year? Amobo. O sa akobaya.
Another car.
O sa afi de me ana me kan ba see dem agem. Mon konko ye message. Clementino. Fa pa na ye kan asemu yi. Nti se de nyom esi ko no. Benya nko mo dwa no contract mu.
Na others no fanya futu.
Yes.
Nesi pa na.
And a player susu pra club. Because player na ye club na asset. As a club ni make sure say the omo share be boa player no eno na eso omo ye.
Nye de ono pe.
Na wanya say ACL say dio se me kwachikire me nan me de bibiduro ko yeso. How?
Danger. Kakakra na sen kakakra na yen kokoles no.
Offer. I beg to differ with my boss. The player in question or employment contract with Kotoko. Bra or 10 years no more boy na Kotoko tua ne ka o. Na what ya say also the baby joke no hunti onko. Na Kotoko medical team no muti wo ye den. Na say hospital asa on Ghana hanum. Say yare no, say nya bibi duro yare a. Na say yare say ti say eventually say cooperate no. Sa time ye operation na say nka be koso 10 cedis a. Ebe abeda so nti
for be ndie me no ya.
Ebi na akwai 15-20 cedis. Any financial loss to the club.
Ba yen ya ba bi atie ba fo bia so ba ka kire se e na o kan say na mo so mo yiri mu. O ma na ni wo mo de akoye no.
The first thing is that player ade na atu player no. Eye de bibiduro na eye ana. O so mo si ACL me boa. ACL de bibiduro na eye. Me de minimum bi nkyere me. Say nya bibiduro dia. And because Kotoko de mo expert. The medical team, are professionals. They should be able to advise. Say there be would any operation in your surgery anyway. Now be a true healing process, no. So there be do back home. Now they come. Me double nothing. Say almost a good gentleman career. Because this woman is CBM. He may have acted ignorantly or in inverted comments, he might have acted foolishly, but it can end in a career. And see me the board for Nasi. At least, I hit the grounds running. Some of these things are more fierce here. Me to say, and as we meet because one crying. I say, no, so more to pa. Nyanya signal crack. Yeah, the chef Fiji.
Say.
Kotoko new board department back where some show you pa medical team. Department back pa. SSS Kotoko new board.
Omo show was saying. Omo hoda da munya kwa nyuma djuma. Ana okay.
Omo show no munya ho djuma. Ensem ni bi wo ha. Enkeka bom. Enkeka bom yi. Sa medical team. Nya medical team ya na fatao. IMC by medical team ya lot of issues bad. IMC time. And no be brain na ya near the two baby, ya near the two baby. But there's been issues with regards to the medical team. not to say the competence of the people. It can be one. You don't say nipa no more no competence.
Yeah.
And now two, they are not well resourced. Resources here the moment or three, the advice no more the bano. The American advice in and now four, omni or pepa for a jumano. Once a bit man you'll be competent. Your man resources.
Part time.
But part time, a jumano. As o ye ni bibi, as o ye, as one ye, as o kuremu. But a baby is so much because a foot will bang and a moment the my boy. It's very important. Send the papa mudin the do baby a jenny paddy. But you on crack tabby out on sacco shas, ya. As a would tear some I say do baby not as an informal.
So when you decide,
when you decide, you are supposed to advise the management from an expert point. Say ebia yen traseno. Na de no okoya. Ye be bia ne ka boka. Enti ida say monfa mo ne sign contract say ye be jawa mo akoye na emom okoye na anye yie a asotwi say ni ene da ho. Ofam de be ka do ken no ke bia boy ne de sa hye bibi ase ansa na ofa sa akwan no.
Amena so me lie no.
Because look at this player. What trying to cut 1 year for no work done, no problem. Say after 1 year no babaka and ka problem. After 1 year no the contract need be woo. So you have to extend his contract. So extending 1 year means that 1 year no say dey hand free. Free because after 1 year never san on some to me bambo.
And 3 weeks so. ACL 6 months.
Into 1 year now was signing it. And can the papa mu cry say Kotoko say the 1 year extended. You be na free.
03